Hello friends, good morning. We will continue the software development models now. We are taught up to prototype model. Now waterfall, V model and agile model are there. So waterfall model now. Waterfall model is one of the earliest and most straightforward approach in the software development life cycle. It is a linear and sequential model where each phase must be completed before moving to the next. The model is named waterfall because the process flows downward like a waterfall with little room for changes or revisions. It's like once it will go step by step requirements, design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance. So after every stage is completed, the next stage will come up. Before going to next stage, the earlier phase should be completed. So that is why it is called as waterfall model. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are simple and easy to manage. The sequential nature of the model makes it easy to understand and implement. Clear phases and deliverables. Each phase is well documented, providing clear expectations and accountability. Works well for fixed requirements. Ideal for projects where requirements are well defined and unlikely to change. What are disadvantages? Inflexible. Changes are difficult to incorporate once a phase is completed. Late discovery of issues. Testing occurs after development, making it hard to address issues discovered late in the process. Not suitable for complex or evolving projects. Assumes that all requirements are clear from the start, which is rarely the case in dynamic environments. When to use this waterfall model is for small projects, suitable for projects with straightforward and well understood requirements. Stable requirements works best when the requirements are unlikely to change during development. Regulated environments ideal for industries like healthcare or defense where documentation and strict processes are mandatory. This is about the waterfall model. Now about V versus V model. V model. The V model means verification and validation model in the SDLC is an extension of the waterfall model. It emphasizes a direct correlation between each development phase and its corresponding testing phase, forming a V shape. This model is widely used in projects where rigorous validation is required, such as in healthcare, aerospace, and automotive industries. Now, if you see this V model, first stage is coding, then next stage is module design. To that corresponding is unit testing, then architecture design, corresponding is integration testing, then system design, corresponding is system testing, then requirement analysis, corresponding is acceptance testing. So this is why it is called as V model. Coming to advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are early detection of defects. Testing activities start early, reducing the chances of defects in later stages. High quality and reliability ensures rigorous validation, making it ideal for critical systems. Clear documentation provides detailed documentation at every phase, improving traceability. Disadvantages. Rigid structure does not handle changes in requirements well. High cost and time. The thorough testing and detailed planning make it resource intensive. Unsuitable for agile projects. Lacks flexibility and iterative feedback mechanisms. When to use this V model? Well defined requirements. When there are well defined requirements. Best for projects with stable, clear, and unchanging requirements. Mission critical systems suitable for applications where high reliability and compliance are critical. Small to medium sized projects works well for the projects with manageable scope and minimal complexity. This is about V model. Now coming to Agile model. Agile model in software development lifecycle is a modern, iterative and flexible approach that emphasizes collaboration, customer involvement and adaptability to changing requirements. Unlike traditional models, Agile focuses on delivering incremental functional pieces of software frequently, allowing for quick adjustments and continuous improvement. There are scrum meetings, daily scrum meetings. There are sprints every 3 to 4 weeks. There are sprints planned for this model. Advantages and disadvantages of the model: flexibility easily accommodates changing requirements, continuous delivery, frequent delivery of functional software increases stakeholder satisfaction, improved collaboration, encourages communication between our developers, testers, and stakeholders. Higher quality, regular feedback, and continuous testing lead to a more robust final product. Risk reduction, issues are identified and addressed earlier due to iterative cycles. Now, coming to disadvantages, less predictable. Lack of a fixed plan can make timelines and budgets uncertain. Requires skilled teams, demands experienced self-organizing teams for successful implementation. Scope creep. Frequent changes in requirements can expand the project scope uncontrollably. Now, when to use this agile model is dynamic requirements, best for projects where requirements are expected to evolve. Customer focused products, ideal for applications with significant user interaction or frequent stakeholder input. Fast paced environments, suitable for startups and or industries requiring rapid delivery of incremental updates. This is all about the second part of the software development models. Thank you very much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications whenever I post the videos. Thank you.